Opposition members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC, led by Opposition Leader Titosstarwell Chyne, mounted pressure on Chief Executive Member of the Council Shemborlang Rynjah on Tuesday, demanding immediate action to clear stalled funds and pending bills under the 15th Finance Commission. This was the first formal meeting between the opposition and the new Chief Executive Member since he assumed office 6 months ago. Titosstarwell Chyne said mounting delays in executing crucial works had crippled the council's functioning and forced the opposition to intervene. A major concern raised was the abrupt suspension of bill payments linked to Finance Commission schemes. The previous Executive Committee, Chyne recalled, had already released funds and distributed work orders before the 2024 MDC elections. However, contractors later complained that payments were frozen, with the council blaming procedural snags. The chief executive member of the KHADC admitted to technical hurdles in processing the bills but assured the delegation that disbursement would resume as soon as the payments were handled online. The opposition, while asking contractors to remain patient, warned that prolonged delays were undermining project execution. The leader of the opposition in the KHADC also pressed for clearance of long-pending bills, pointing out that MDCs often advance their own resources to carry out schemes before reimbursement, leaving them financially strained when payments are delayed. The opposition further flagged the hold-up in releasing the second installment of the 2021-22 tied and untied grants. Titosstarwell Chyne said the chief executive member informed them that the proposal had already been placed by the previous executive committee, but the council was still waiting for the funds from New Delhi. He cautioned that further delays in sanctioning work orders could erode the credibility of the MDCs among the public. The delegation also advised the executive committee to work closely with local MDCs on Ilaka matters, stressing that such consultation would ensure constituency-specific concerns are addressed in policy decisions.
Kani kajian kenduk kejungi UCM kalong kasim kebenikong. Namar ba hadin kumbakat driu benai mentana tarai driu benai kesimti UCM. Ti kadau ka pelong yang ini bani kenduk kawe kalong ba kani kajing le kenduk jungi kamde ka personal ka jungi. Mo kawe ni ko amat percaya ta kamde ka balong personal kajing.com jungi simet mungkin MDC. Dai kadai ka ba na ka benta kajing mento jungi pai bahi haki lagi jungi konsumsi jong baro. Ndai tang jungi geliang percaya dai wat ki MDC ki bade geliang sensyaro. Namar bangi iba mentala yahat ki benai ki sengi ajar kut usnam nimi kanunu kadak kesit nimi ki dulu ki kam ki bangi jupen telun nakapol sakapol kam tam mangi kong ki MDC ki bangi la judon hang ni council wat kini parlo ki bala judon ni kamut ni iba ki sakut ki mia bah kum bade bania Tina tak ada apa pelong yang iban ni dia balik kenduk no si ampan panjing syai halo ki katu kat ni tuli ki kam ki badal kam ki badai naga benta ka ki mento jon pala kabandingkong kabangi akren kalong haka isi ka badadap ni haka tem ka baladap nakaliang ka tem ka baladap ki konsulsi baro ki layo e ka scheme jong ka 15 Finance Commission ka first installment kabalik si marlai po sapo sanpo lak untuk ila ai ki wo ordaru shwai jong ka election MDC bat la pentrei ka pat hadir ka election bat menta nadu benai March April kila sedang mentrei ki kam tenrei kansan i bakadon ka jing pensange pansil ya kidel ila i ka wi ka city ka balami yang ni office ya ka balawan rahi daki kontraktor la ni daki no pentrei ki scheme Syangi banong bala suspend no yang jing siwi ki bill ki aidau kadang kata technical problem. Tena takadau halo kani ilai kendu siam. Tena kaliau siam la pensyai bakadon ka technical problem. but kermen ba let's say hakini ikan dia singin salah ban Menteri Kam do ya ni nama pemerintah kalau ada ke online payment ya baru ki scheme jong ka 50 finance commission te mingit scam ba kan ikan long kam no but kermen ba ki non pentri ki scheme haki konsulsi baru kini syak nama nak kalian ke jungi lu ila simkhia nama kan dar kan no ke pentut kam tam ki bapli ki bla pentri ka kam ki bla pelut ki bisa ki school ki balang ki kenhun ki boker ki snong ya se bahkan perslam ya bil ka kalong ka jikta ki ka bahar pa kalong halo ka jing dili palat ya ka ban siwi ki bil kani ka bil kam de tang kani online payment andre ki don ki bil ki bam ya dai pa kani ka online payment ki bala aslam ki bala don ki nyu banai pra banai ki system pumta ter kiniru kila ot singi ba kadon dili penslam hakaban siu ya kini gitu kadang-kadang mi persong si yang bu musim kia ko mengkido ba perkloy ya kini siu gitu namar ba kibabun namar handi 100% ki scheme ki bangi pentre kabut ki pentre shwa ngi sayo ek pesadin ki sayo ek pesadin takadaw takta ba na kadon kajing dili kabaar pat kalong habede pat ka second installment jong ka 21-22 hi lakadai ka on type lani ka type kini pat kidai ki bangi la pha e ka proposal nadu ka tem ka baladem ka babaro ki MDC ki la pha ka bamut ya kini ki scheme pat pentre da kani ka tem ka pemerintah tenre kini ru hadu mentang sa ka umdo namari kini ki scheme lai ki GE ki lali thau ki lali wo hadu hotspot ka bamut la dade jong ka snong ki latip la dade jong ka balang ki latip lada dai jom isen samla kilatip bakal adon kani ka proposal te kan ta bhai yang ni kum kinomi khamat lada la let thau la let wo la let la long kum la ai kata ka assurance saling la ai kata ka jingkula nre lada ngibio pat ban yo e ka wo ada kan kata sibur tenata kadau ki babun ki pai ba ki wan sengi kum kinomi khamat ban kali kata ka skim pilabu no ka tarum yo no ka tarum ni tengi ban persai tak mangiru maso ka kamlong tenang takadaw ni wan wat sing sai no CM badang kaliam CM yang ani uang bangin pat yo ka pisah ko Delhi te hukum semla ban ai kan no ka assurance salo bani usu om bakani ka syong ha jing yat no ka por bat ka jing patrikam ya ka first instrument ya kini labor license mo ya kan ni ru ngila pan sing sai no CM halo gani ka benta bat ni kuat bantip ru kai ka rule joga district council habede begini ki labor lani ki nomtre ki bawan mentre hapo upur sam jongka Khasi helo autonomous district council dia kani nang aliang si am semla ban ai no ka coba ko pasai namaru om bangar madang sitik menem step kani bokongan sakali naga department na UIM insat bat sapentip halo kani te kita ki jing ekren ki bangil ekren bat ada juga por ngelekren lu spanti kam ki bede bat ke himasima mo kantam bakal ka subject na ke ilaka ni aji mo si amba ya kinu kikam ki bede hakam ilaka haki konsulsi lakum no ban konsult lam ban kenjok tin lam ya ki lokal MDC hoi ngimla bantu kelar ya ka rule jong ke isi ke ka bagi ban le haki kikam ke ilaka nre at least nakaliang jungi ki MDC 8 pau menaya kum nakaliang ni Pak Albin nakaliang ni Komrona kidon ki issue hapo konsulsi ki jungi dia dei bagi ki kam hima sima ki kam snong kam thau te ni ong bala kum no ban konsult lang kan bala da yo mi ai yo mi don ban ai kan no ke jing ai mut se isi ha be dei bagi ki kam ilaka te kita ki long ke kat tu kat ki mat ki ba ngila ya keren bad siam